Imagine it's the middle of the night. A military command center is completely silent until a loud alarm suddenly breaks the calm. Most people would expect fighter jets to take off first, but they don't. Instead, a small, nearly silent drone disappears into the darkness. Its mission isn't to attack. It's there to watch. Flying high above the battlefield, the drone scans every movement below. Powerful cameras and sensors stream live video back to the command center. Operators carefully study every road, every vehicle, every radar site, searching for anything that could change the mission. Minutes pass. The picture becomes clearer. The target is identified. Only then does the next phase begin. Miles away, fighter jets roar into the sky. Their pilots already know exactly where they're going because the drone has been feeding them real-time intelligence from the very beginning. But the mission is far from over. The drone never leaves. It continues watching every second. If the target moves, the pilots know immediately. If a new threat appears, the mission changes in an instant. This constant teamwork is what makes modern air operations so effective. The drone provides the eyes. The fighter jet delivers the speed, power, and rapid response. Together, they become far more capable than either one could be alone. In many real-world operations, multiple drones may fly at the same time. Some gather intelligence, others monitor the battlefield or support communications. Meanwhile, fighter jets remain ready to respond to changing conditions within moments. What makes these missions remarkable isn't just advanced technology. It's the coordination. Every decision is based on information. Every movement is carefully planned. Every second matters, because in modern warfare, victory doesn't always belong to the side with the biggest weapons. It often belongs to the side that sees first, understands first, and reacts first. What do you think? Will drones become the future of air combat, or will fighter jets always remain the ultimate force in the sky? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.